friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook account. First go to facebook.com and you will see your sign up process. Type your first name and last name. You can enter your email or mobile number. You can choose anyone. So I'm entering my email here. Choose a password at least 8 characters and then date of birth. Then here, then gender, and then next click sign up. And you can find steps, 3 steps here. You can skip these steps. If you want to fill the information about yourself, current city, hometown, high school, you can fill here or skip next. Skip this one. If you want to add profile picture, you can add. So I'm adding a profile picture here. So, so please choose photo that at least 180 pixels well. You can add your profile picture later also. You can skip this step. And you will find your account here. Go to your profile, click here, and you will find your account, new account. You can fill these steps, entering your school or place and all those things. So this is the easy way of creating a new Facebook account. Thanks for watching.